Meet 9-year-old chess prodigy Arit Kapil, the boy who nearly beat Magnus Carlsen a couple of weeks ago. The former world champion had called Gukesh a weak player. Following that, the world champion was on a Carlsen beating spree. To humiliate the 5-time world champion further, Gukesh's compatriot Arit Kapil held the Norwegian to a draw in an online tournament called Early Title Tuesday. Tell us about that moment when you drew with Magnus.
I was very happy and I couldn't believe that I drew Magnus. I was very surprised which I drew. No, first I was thinking which I would lose, but then he gifted me some hope that his king is high, had some hope, and then he blundered.
At what point did you see that he's blundered and you pounced on?
I think queen at 7 and queen takes c7 was his mistakes, I think.
Arit played this event from his hotel room in Georgia, where he was battling for a podium finish in the Under-10 World Championship.
It could be a defining moment for him as far as the future is concerned.
Magnus Carlsen hates losing the most. For a chess player, it's everyone's dream to sort of fight against him. A career-defining moment really for chess players. And I think it comes down to one man, to Vishy Anand, really. Everything that he did. I mean, he was India's first world champion.
With 85 grandmasters, India is 5th in the world. And the growth of the ecosystem is credited to one man, OG of Indian chess, Vishwanathan Anand.
I think it was such a big part of his vision that there shouldn't just be one standout player. To have this golden generation which has been built on Anand's shoulders, because जब वो खेल रहे थे तब कोई इंडिया के लिए चेस रोडमैप नहीं था. He kind of paved that path himself. We have the youngest world champion from India,
yes.
Gukesh at 18 becoming the world champion. I think Garry Kasparov, he summed it up the best, where he said that Vishy's children are on the loose.
So will an Indian challenge Gukesh in the next World Championship?
I will not be surprised, Rika, at all. I mean, Pragg looks like he's all set to make it to the candidates already.
Vishy's children for now are enjoying the tag of giant killers. In New Delhi, Rika Roy for NDTV.